Hello.
Hello.
Can you see me and hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day so far?
Ma'am, my day was going good. And
Okay.
ma'am, I am in hostel, so my college is off.
Mm-hmm.
So my day was going good.
Okay, so you are in your room,
Yes, ma'am. Hostel.
hostel. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is our first session, so I want to know more about you. So, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Chotu Kumar. I'm from Bihar, but currently I live in Rajasthan for study purpose. If
Mm-hmm.
you talk about my academic qualification, so I have done bachelor degree in computer application, and now I am pursuing master degree in computer application. That's all.
Okay, so you are a student now.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice. So you are from Bihar. Even I also from Bihar.
So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. As I'm currently living in Bhopal. My
Mhm.
qualification, I have done engineering from computer science and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company.
Mhm.
And yes, I'm simultaneously running my YouTube channel as well. Yes, that's all about me.
Ma'am, are you working in IT sector? Means which type of work are you doing?
So I'm a software engineer, you can say.
Okay, software engineer. Ma'am, which language are you used?
So actually, I'm in infrastructure side, so I don't need to do a coding part. I'm in that side, so I have to do work on our tools, I can say. So
Okay,
I have little bit of requirement of coding language, but not much.
okay.
Okay, so you are in the same domain, so you know about coding part as well,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, so which language you like? You know, and which one you like?
Ma'am, currently I am learning for C++ within DSA,
Mm-hmm.
and I little know about the Java and also Python.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And now I'm learning web development course, and I have a good command of the HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript language.
Okay, that's nice. So you wanna do job in IT sector?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Yes, definitely you can do. And if you have good knowledge of any of the coding language, so you can easily do.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
but you have to work hard for that.
Yes, ma'am. In the IT sector, ma'am, if you have knowledge, if you have a good command in the coding, then you can get easily job.
Yes, yes. Yeah, right. So yes, it happened with me as well. But that time, like interviewer were asking of the coding question, but here in company they had provided me, they had shifted in me on the different domain. Like I'm in cyber security as of now. So
Okay.
yes, so then I continuously doing this kind of work. So I thought like yes, I should continue in this domain as
Mhm.
well. So I'm just continuously doing in this domain.
Ma'am, are you working in cyber security?
Yes, I'm working in a one of the subdomain of cybersecurity. You must have heard about identity and access management.
Mhm.
So I'm in that part.
Okay, so a little bit about you. Tell me about your cyber security. How can you work? Because I know I'm very curiosity for learn the cyber security.
Yes, I have heard that many people wants to do like work in cybersecurity side, and
Exactly, ma'am.
it was my what can I say luck that they had taken me in a cybersecurity, and I'm continuously working here. And yes, so I'm working in a like subdomain that is identity
Mhm.
and access management. For example, I have to secure the identity, digital identity that we are using for any of the application like. Our username and password we generally use for any kind of accounts you are using, so we
Mhm.
have to protect them from the cyber theft and how you can secure from the cyber crimes. So I'm doing this kind of activities and educating the customers and clients that how they can secure their identities. So this kind of work I'm doing.
Okay.
Actually, cybersecurity is very vast, and yes, we have multiple things to learn as well. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
So, ma'am,
Okay.
how are your experience in cybersecurity? Because, ma'am, I really, ma'am, I'm saying I'm a very active for the learning the cybersecurity.
Okay. And you won't believe that when I was in college, so I wanted to become go in a developer side. Like I already know the, as you told, that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript web
Mhm.
development things, and I know Java and Python as well. But that time, I don't know, I shifted to this domain, and during the COVID, I didn't focus much on that. Yes, I should change my domain. So I was just continuously doing that. And now I'm enjoying.
Okay, that's great, ma'am.
Okay, but yes, if you want to go in a developer side, so that would be great. And you will get lot of new opportunities as well.
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay. So your preparation is going well.
Yes, ma'am. My business is going well, and everything I'm going well, and my college is going well.
So you are in a first first year of your PG or second year?
First year, ma'am.
First year. Okay, so you have 1 year left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do your practice and get a job.
Yes, ma'am. I'm practice on the lead code and also gigs for gigs.
Mhm. Okay, that's nice. So how did you get my contact?
Ma'am, I watched one video on the YouTube. See, you told me I am IT sector. I'm working in IT sector in the cyber security. So I want to talk to with you in this time. Then I search your email ID. Then I message on your email.
Mhm. Yes, even I get very excited when I meet a person who are in the same field. You know,
Exactly, ma'am. I am with you.
Yes, because I am talking with many people, and most of them are not in my domain, so I don't have enough enough topic to talk. But
Mhm.
suddenly I am talking with you, and I have lot of things that we can share with each other. So yes, I really
Exactly.
enjoyed talking with the people who are in the same domain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so apart from this, so do you have any hobbies that you like to do?
Yeah, ma'am. Right now, ma'am, I am only for reading books and also coding
Okay.
because, ma'am, my exam at maybe 16th January.
Mhm.
So I am preparing for the exam.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So, ma'am,
Nice.
please tell me how can I secure my anything? Because, ma'am, you are in the cyber security. So, ma'am, can you share me a little bit about?
What? Can you repeat it?
Yeah, I am saying, suppose I am any person give me a link. So how can I secure anything?
I didn't get you really.
Ma'am, please tell me a little bit about cyber security. Means how can I get a job in the cyber security and how can I preparation for the cyber security?
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it. So I got by luck, I can say. But yes, if anyone wants to work in cybersecurity, then we have multiple things to do. First, you should be knowledge about all the basic of cybersecurity.
Hmm?
And if you want to go in a particular domain, like we have so many domains inside the cybersecurity, like network securities, and like as I told you, identity and access management, and we have other things as well, other subdomain as well. So you can prepare accordingly. You can do the certification, cybersecurity certification as well. If you want to directly go in a cybersecurity, then certification is more important. So
Okay.
you have to do that. um, yes, I haven't done that time, but yes, after joining my job, I have done some of the certification that is related to my domain. But if you want to go in a particular like cybersecurity only, then you have to do the certification, and you should be good command on basic things, like, so you can get easily job.
Okay. So, ma'am, which type of question asks in the your interviewer in the past time?
Okay, that time they were asking only coding, related to coding parts only. For and more important that whatever things you have written in on your resume, like as I had mentioned about languages, particular language Java, so they have asked everything about Java only. And if you have prepared any of the project, you have done any project related to that language, then you can explain those things. Mostly they will ask you the question related to your project. For
Okay.
example, you have made any website, any
Mhm.
of the web application, then they will ask you like which language you have used, and they will give you the scenario as well. Like for example, if you want to create this kind of anything, so they will give you the scenario. So this kind of question they were asking.
Okay.
And yes, and that time they were asking about the technical subject as well. Like as you told DSA, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
learning this. Yes, so DSA is very important. So they will ask you the question. And if you know any of the database, so that is
Mm.
also important. So if you know, so they will ask the question related to database as well. If you have mentioned or not, they will ask you this question on